Hi MIT, I'm Kelly Ng, one of the library assistants on campus, and I'm here to tell you about some of the different options for taking books out of the library. And with that, let's get started. Here we're on the Barton catalog. I'm going to search for the title Grand Union by Zadie Smith. And I'm going to go down and select the second result. Now that I'm on the page under shelf location, you can see that a physical copy of the book is located in Dewey. Selecting this hyperlink or the one right above it will take you to a form to request the book be mailed to you. If you request the book be mailed to you, it can be delivered to your MIT campus address, a US mailing address, or a Canadian mailing address. However, if we go back to the record, you'll see that there's an option for online access. So I'm going to select Get This at MIT to read it as an ebook. Selecting this will take me to another page with more information about the book. If we look to the left of the page, you can see you have two options, either read online or download book. Ebooks often have restrictions due to copyright and licensing terms, so you'll want to make sure to read the availability section to check for restrictions. For Grand Union, MIT only has 3 copies, which means only 3 users can download it at a given time. Additionally, downloaded copies of Grand Union can only be checked out for up to 1 day and require third-party software to view. The last couple of things I'll mention are that these restrictions vary with different books. Some have unlimited downloads, some let you download a book for a week, et cetera, et cetera. It really depends on the publisher, so make sure to read through the book record to check for restrictions. And lastly, if you're having trouble accessing the book online, try coming back to it another time. There might just be too many users reading it at the moment. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching and happy searching.